everybody's gaydar was? If you watched Harry Potter, by the way, you're probably gay. No, anyways. Why does everybody out there, man, celebrate being sober? I've been drinking for like 30 fucking years, and nobody fucking applauds that shit. Everybody applauds. I'm a loser. I lost my job. Oh. What am I gonna do? Oh, I know. I'll stop fucking drinking. No, you need to drink more, so then you don't feel like, oh, I lost my job. I don't feel so bad. I recently got not recently, about 8 months ago, got my medical marijuana card. Great thing I got. Should be moving to Washington next. Maybe there. Washington, the doctor goes, why do you need a medical marijuana card? I'm like, doc, I can't eat. Dude, what are you talking about? You can't eat. See, but then, you guys, I used to look like Tom Hanks in Philadelphia. So, it's too early for bad jokes yet. But anyway, so, look what it's done. It's been great. But it's been great, and I'm going to drink, and I'm going to F, and I'm going to eat until I die. Hey, I'm going to fuck and eat and drink until I die, because we're all dying anyways. What the fuck, man? Who wants to die in bed with an IV? Fuck that. I'm ready to hit the wall anytime. But anyways, how many women, a lot of women here, a lot of people here, how many people like weddings? You guys like going to weddings? I hate them. I hate them, man. I've been to a bunch of them. No, they suck. Guys don't like them, but I found out for another reason. Not that every guy is giving up his freedom, and I like that Indian, like, oh, there goes another man's soul. It's gone. No, it's that I used to have to get set next to my grandmother. All the time. All the time. And she was sitting there and poke me. You're next. You're next. What the fuck? No, I'm not. You're next. So, a few weeks ago, my grandfather dies. I'm at the funeral and I'm thinking, I'm going to get this fucking bitch. You're next. You're next. Fuck you. How's that? I fixed her, right? I fixed her, man. It's just too much. Well, what are you going to do? I was thinking about the music that was playing at his funeral. From the 50s. Like all that doo-wop music and shit like that. When I'm dead, and they're going to play music that I liked, I can't wait until they come out playing some Iron Maiden, 666, Number of the Beast. Like in a church, you're like, what the hell is going on with this guy? But, what are you going to do, man? It's your last song. You might as well play something fun. I was out there to eat here just recently. We're coming here. At a restaurant. And I'm sitting across, kind of like this. Not like you, I'm not pointing you out, but kind of here in a chair. A girl sitting there, happens to have a miniskirt too. Sitting there eating my dinner. My girl sitting here. And I look over. Girl's got this little miniskirt. She's got no underwear on. And I'm like, whoa, what was that? And at first, it's kind of like when you see a train wreck, you're like, whoa, what was that? And I looked over, so then I thought that I'd be cool about it. Grab my napkin, get a drink. She did nothing. Full badge, everything is showing. So now, I can't, I'm dipping my French fries, looking. Drinking, looking. Eating hamburger, looking. And she catches me, looking. And she knows, I know, everybody, well, it's me and her. She sees it, and I'm like, man, what am I going to do? And then she looks up at me, and she goes, oh, excuse me, I screwed it up. She sits there, crosses her legs. She goes, well, what do you see now? So, it's pretty gross, but anyways, screwed up my own joke. Again, damn it, I screwed that one up twice now. A lot of people have uncles out there. I got, people have their gay uncle. You got your straight uncle. You got your pedophile uncle. You got your uncle that's a drunk. You got your uncle that lives in a Winnebago. You got your uncle that, everyone's got this fucked up uncle. I have the Vietnam uncle. And let me tell you about this guy. My Uncle Dudley, Christmas time, birthday time, everybody gets stories about nice things. We used to play with cars, had good times, Christmas time, Santa Claus, reindeers, presents and shit. My Uncle Dudley used to tell me about his Vietnam story. Story after story about all his friends that died in Vietnam. From Lamont, Jamal, Rerun, Raj, Mr. Jefferson, get the 70s syndrome. Anyways, so his foot's a real sore. And the guy's foot's been messed up forever, and I'm like, I gotta help him out. So I feel like, you know what, I'm gonna take my Uncle Dudley out to get a pedicure. Not realizing he's got trench foot. He sits down in the chair. That poor little Vietnamese girl pulls his foot off, man. She pulls his socks off, but what I didn't realize also is that he had this pus bubble. This thing blew up, and that girl looked like that little girl on Time Life. Running for the door. Thanks, everybody. I'm Ken Pettigrew. You guys all have a great night.